Question number 1. Which feature starts a new line whenever a word or sentence reached a border? A. Text line. B. New line. C. Text wrapping. D. Text align. The right answer is C. Text wrapping. And the next question is, question number 2 is, who is the father of MS Word? A. Martin Cooper. B. Dennis Ritchie. C. Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody. D. Bill Gates. The right answer is C option. Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody. And the next question is, question number 3 is, what is a shortcut key of change the font in MS Word? A. Ctrl plus Shift plus F. B. Alt plus Shift plus F. C. Alt plus F. D. None of these. The right answer is A. Ctrl plus Shift plus F. And the next question is, question number 4 is, what is the smallest and largest font size available in Font Size tool on Formatting toolbar? A. 6 and 72. B. 6 and 68. C. 8 and 72. The right answer is option C. 8 and 72. And the next question is, question number 5 is, which of the following can be used to navigate documents? A. Frames. B. Hyperlinks. C. Web toolbar. D. All of the above. The right answer is option B. Hyperlinks. And the next question is, the question number 6 is, which operation you will perform if you need to move a block of text? A. Copy and paste. B. Paste and cut. C. Cut and paste. D. Paste and delete. The right answer is option C. Cut and paste. Please subscribe my channel The Study GK 3.7 and press the bell icon. And the next question is, the question number 7 is, Ctrl plus Z shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to A. Undo the last action. B. Redo the last action. C. Add the new page. D. Paste the contents from clipboard. The right answer is option A is undo the last action. And the next question is, question number 8 is, Ctrl plus W shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to A. Save and print the document. B. Save and close Word application. C. Save and close document. D. Without save, close document. The right answer is option C. Save and close document. And the next question is, question number 9 is, Ctrl plus V shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to A. Paste texts in the beginning of document. B. Paste images in the beginning of document. C. Paste tables at the middle of document. D. None of the above. The right answer is option D. None of the above. And the next question is, question number 10 is, what is the function of Ctrl plus N shortcut key in Microsoft Word? A. Save document. B. Open document. C. New document. D. Close document. The right answer is option C. New document. And the next question is, question number 11 is, Ctrl plus M shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to A. New document. B. Close document. C. Right indent. D. Left indent. The right answer is option D. Left indent. And the next question is, question number 12 is, which shortcut key is used to switch from one MS Word document to another MS Word document? A. Ctrl plus Shift plus F6. B. Ctrl plus Shift plus F4. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus F2. D. None of these. The right answer is option A. Ctrl plus Shift plus F6. And the next question is, question number 13 is, Ctrl plus F shortcut key is used in MS Word to A. Open Find and Replace dialog box with activating Find tab. B. Open Page Setup dialog box with activating Layout tab. C. Open Font dialog box with activating Font tab. D. Open File Save as dialog box. The right answer is option A. Open Find and Replace dialog box with activating Find tab. And the next question is, question number 14 is, Ctrl plus H shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to A. Open Find and Replace dialog box with activating Replace tab. B. Open Format dialog box activating Insert Hyperlink tab. C. Open Insert dialog box activating Insert Hyperlink tab. D. Open Insert Hyperlink dialog box. The right answer is option A is Open Find and Replace dialog box with activating Replace tab. And the next question is, question number 15 is, default name of a newly created MS Word file is A. File 1. B. Document 1. C. Untitled 1. D. None of these. The right answer is option B is Document 1. And the next question is, question number 16. Microsoft Word is software. A. Application. B. Compiler. C. System. D. Programming. The right answer is option A is Application. And the next question is, question number 17. Which of the following helps to reduce spelling error in the document? A. Auto format. B. Autocorrect. C. Smart tags. D. Auto text. The right answer is option B. Autocorrect. And the next question is, Question number 18. What is MS Word? A. A word processing software. B. A spreadsheet. C. An operating system. D. None of these. The right answer is option A. A word processing software. And the next question is question number 19. Thesaurus tool in MS Word is used for A. Grammar options. B. Spelling suggestions. C. Synonyms and antonyms words. D. None of these. The right answer is option C. Synonyms and antonyms words. The next question is question number 20. Which of the following is not a font style? A. Bold. B. Italics. C. Regular. D. Superscript. The right answer is option D. Superscript. The next question is question number 21. Which shortcut key is used to spell check in Microsoft Word? A. F1. B. F2. C. F7. D. F9. The right answer is option C. F7. The next question is question number 22. In Microsoft Word, shortcut key Ctrl+W is used for A. Open the print dialog box. B. Update the current web page. C. Close the current window. D. None of these. The right answer is option C. Close the current window. The next question is question number 23. Page down keyboard key is used in Microsoft Word to A. Moves the cursor one line down. B. Moves the cursor one page down. C. Moves the cursor one screen down. D. Moves the cursor one paragraph down. The right answer is option C. Moves the cursor one screen down. The next question is question number 24. Which of the following is not valid version of MS Office? A. Office 2003. B. Office Vista. C. Office 2007. D. None of these. The right answer is option B. Office Vista. The next question is the question number 25. Which file is responsible to start MS Word? A. Win.exe. B. Word.exe. C. Winword.exe. D. None. The right answer is option C. Winword.exe. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and share and likes this video. Thank you for watching this video.